In this video, I want to show you how to make these beautiful star earrings. This is Honor's channel. Welcome to another jewelry tutorial using simple crochet methods and techniques. And to support us, don't forget to like this video please. For this sample, I used a lace yarn and a 0.85mm hook. However, for the tutorial, I'm using a super fine yarn and a 1.5mm hook. Start with one simple stitch and 5 chains. In the first chain, make 1 slip stitch, 3 chains. In this hollow spot at the center of the circle, make 2 double crochet. And overall, considering the first 3 chain, we have 3 double crochet stitches. 2 chains in this spot, 3 double crochet. Two chains, 3 double crochet. And repeat this 5 times. And at the end, 2 chains and 1 slip stitch to close up this row. For the next row, in the next stitch, 1 slip stitch. Now in this spot, make 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 treble crochet, 3 chains, 1 treble crochet, 1 double crochet, and 1 half double crochet. Now skip 1 stitch and in the next one, make 1 slip stitch. In this spot, now repeat these steps 3 more times to have a complete, beautiful star. And 1 slip stitch to finish up this work. And that's our star. Make a pair of these stars and you're gonna have these beautiful star earrings. If you want to know how to install needle clasps to the earrings, click on the link of this video in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.